Jeremy Drebenstead with Demco Products. Today I want to go over how to replace a broken trigger handle on your Demco tow bar. Should you need a replacement part for your tow bar, please give us a call at Demco and we will get you taken care of. I find it easier to have the tow bar sitting on a workbench or a table with the trigger handle facing up. This will make it easier when we put this all back together to have everything line up. So first thing we're going to want to do is remove our retainer clips. Now I found this is easy to be done with a small flat tip screwdriver. Just stick it in one of these little holes here and give it a twist and they'll pop out. We're going to remove both of these. Next, what we're going to do is push on these pins and pull them out. And then we're going to remove both the sear and the trigger handle. As you can see, you have three pieces here that you got to kind of keep track of. What we're going to do is grab our new parts. We're going to grab our sear, and as you can see right here, it's got a little hole for our spring to slide into. And so does our trigger handle here. We're going to slide these in and kind of line them up like so. We're going to slide them back into our slot all together. We're going to grab our pin. We're going to have to kind of work this a little bit to line it up. And slide our pin through. We're going to do that on our handle as well. Again, you may have to kind of wiggle it a little bit and move it around to get it to line up. There we go. The next thing we're going to want to do is grab our retainer clips again. There's a little groove here in our pin. So we're going to take our retainer clip and just by hand just kind of lightly slide it into that groove. Then grab a pair of pliers and clip it on the rest of the way. We'll do that again with our other pin here. And there you go. So now that it's all back together, what we're going to want to do is go ahead and slide out our rod here and make sure it actually locks into place, and then that it also releases.